Igbo versus non Igbo. Hey, my nigga. Shady, Afrobilly, Sage, philosopher, Onyenkuzi of Nkuzi. He said, Igbo helps you be in your more. So that means that the opposite of it is being in your Mmadu, Mmadu, okay? So now, every period, you need in on a more, in an in the night, not just typical night, like in the dark, the periods of the dark, maybe even something like this, just past winter solstice thing, which was a longest dark of the year or something, right? Or darkest day or longest night, right? So that kind of thing now, a period when they shaking. A period when they more dark than typical. There is a period that is the darkness, right? And darkness no go just the night no go just day for 5 years at a stretch. Night gas come, day go come. Night gas come, day go come. Night gas. So no be every time when you go just day in a state of your more, which is the night, because the night is a time of download. That's why your dreams are like a messaging, right? You are downloading messaging. That you will then apply. Mmadu is about interacting with other people. Yeah, my lad. Mmadu na interact with Indians. So now, come on now. He downloads all the things. He will put as Mmadu. Interact, yeah. Otherwise, you go just do non-challenge, go give a shit, you go do it indifferent, right? Which is something niggas can relate to when you're on cannabis. Like, you go just be indifferent, you go just day, you go just day indoors. You no one interact with them mad because in on more and me put up with you. So now IGBO versus non-IGBO, because kids they here, right? But say Anokata, I can use for it, right? I can go for a bit more. Now, check is the opposite of check is no too more. What is now the danger of no too long in that more state? Or what are the pros and cons? Not more for too long. You must quickly work with many things because that plane is the plane where people bring all the wonderful inventions where they on this plane for. So if you actually bring things, if you bring dope writing or stuff, but you dey out of touch with that Mmadu interaction. What's that do, right? Like, so you dey out of touch now for so long, and if you fuck you up, and then if you dey in the Mmadu too much, you fit actually miss out on the more. So now something you have balance. As pretty much a lot of other things be. So yeah, now just something really interesting I pick up recently, and I think it makes for a good note to start the year with. How you all doing? Let's have a grand year. Cheers. And get on the call if you need some spirituality consultancy and or help with Alpha rituals and stuff. Cheers.